but to everyone who watches it, it is instantly identifiable and there's a reason that this movie is so huge. Everybody can identify with the things in it.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. A large earthquake may strike the Carolinas at any point. Evidence suggests that a large and dangerous earthquake will strike the area in the next 15 minutes. Prepare to duck and cover. Earthquake in process. Earthquake in process. Earthquake in process.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WRAZ. We will continue to serve the Raleigh metro area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Raleigh metro area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. A nuclear detonation has occurred near Wayne County, North Carolina. If you are within 200 miles of Wayne County, get to a fallout shelter immediately. If you do not have access to a fallout shelter, put as much between you and the outside world as possible. A national emergency has been declared. Martial law has been put into effect in North Carolina. This message will repeat in 2 minutes.